swim. Okay, so first hike of the year in my life. So hopefully we don't die. Yeah, like
in your life.
Basically, first like actual hike. And it's in Maple Ridge.
Yeah.
Next to Portland. So up there, like over an hour drive.
With no signal.
With no signal, so if you don't see it, you'll know why. Thank you. Hey guys, we're back. And here's our food. Thank you. Breakfast time.
Does that. It's only
And that's chicken and waffles.
chicken and waffles, Diana's crazy pancake, egg, sausage, and what is that? What is this called? Potatoes. I forgot. Hash browns. I hate hash browns. That's why.
What the heck? She's gonna barf it out. She's gonna barf all of it out.
That is the aftermath.
2 hours later.
It's May 6th. It's 12:53. We are driving to. Where are we driving to? To Golden Ears.
Or start a jam where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists.
Hi guys. Diana's gonna try to pump gas. She said she doesn't know how. She got this. It's a life skill everybody needs to know. Do I know this? I don't know. I'm gonna film her. Make her all nervous.
Okay. So
This one.
press fuel amount. How much should I do? 40?
How much is how many is that? I don't know. Just do 30 because you only you have full, like it's almost
No, it's halfway.
yeah, it's fine. Just do 30.
A full
I think.
tank?
How much is a full tank?
It was like $50 last time we did it, but it was cheaper. Do I
Mustang.
tap now?
Yes. I
Where?
think so. There. Like put it in. Put it in our tap. Payment card. This one. And able to no, you gotta go put it in.
Oh. There you go.
You should have done 25.
No, 30 is good.
Okay. It's working, yay!
This one?
Yeah, that one I think. No, I think just take it.
Regular.
One moment, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. Guys, look at that.
Perfect. Oh my god, it was cold for a second. I was like, I know where I'm touching gas.
It's gonna explode. Make sure it's closed. Beautiful.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto 232nd Street.
Hi guys, we made it. Like we're on a mountain. I don't know.
Take the first exit.
Maybe my dad lied to me that there's actually signal up here, but we haven't like really gone up there. But 20 more minutes. I really cannot believe like I'm like sitting in a car with Diana, going like driving here by ourselves. Really like one like blink, you're like in grade 5, and then the next blink you're here. I'm not even joking. Look how beautiful and green it is. There's like horses. This is so beautiful. We're here. Hi guys. What time is it, Anna?
209.
We're starting at 2:09. The lower falls. It shouldn't be that hard. Like it should be like fairly easy. The lower falls. Falls trail.
Here's
Bro, Lower Falls Trail.
Lower Falls Trail. Oh,
Look, it's here. The sign
the
is
way,
here.
a mountain and the woods.
Do you hear the birds? Like, that's the type of
Oh yeah.
touching green grass I'm talking about. Look, Lower Falls Trail. You look like a Facebook mom.
POV the trail. POV walking. So we started at 2:09, right? And we're going down the trail. Dude, a mosquito flew by my face. I was like, no way, this thing's
Put it on my neck.
I should have put it on my face. I should have inhaled. I should have ate it.
I put it on my back.
Like fully covered. Hey.
Guys, fit check. Get a fit check. Here's Anna. Weather is good. It's gonna be good. Wait. But doesn't it say like olive oil?
It was literally cooking like it was time. Guys, intermission. And actually, I'm already tired.
I think we're not.
What time is it?
It is
Well, we haven't even made it that far. Like, we're not even
2:27.
Oh, okay, 2:27.
It's been almost 30 minutes.
But we're not even by the water yet, so.
Dogs keep coming when they're all wet.
Yeah! Like that, we're having their own fun already. Here's my number. Come in, baby. Whoa! You sure?
Oh my goodness!
Whoa! We jump in here? Whoa! Oh, this is nice.
That's really nice.
Yo, let's just touch it for a second.
Is it cold?
Whoa! No, this is
It's good. It's good.
You can see the rock. Oh my god.
We look like tourists.
I basically am a tourist.
I guess we're 1 kilometer in.
Oh, yes. Whatever that means. Get this freaking water.
It's literally green. Yo, how did we get to the other side?
Literally blue. Clear. Whoa. The view, the sky is insane.
I almost peed myself.
The black thing?
Yeah. We're almost there.
And I freaking ate a fly because I left my mouth open for too long. So I was literally like talking and I was talking like this and then I went like and I started dying. Open for too long. So I was literally talking and I was
Oh my gosh. Wow.
we're gonna go to the rocks. Oh my god. Watch your step. Ooh.
Wow.
Look, we did it.
Yay! Time check, guys. We did it at the top. What time is it?
It is 3:08.
3:08.
Wow, this fast.
We did an hour, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go swimming actually. Guys, Dan is trying to get to the other side, but I think it's a different trail. But this area is good too. This area here. Where? But this is where the deep part is. Look, this is the deep area. This is the deep area. Yeah, look over there. It's deep. Guys, we made it. I'm putting Diana's booty cheeks in my mouth. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Little spoon in there. My foot is broken. You know, like inserts. Because we decided to go off route. Not off route. Oh, we were gonna go to the parking lot, but then there was a trail to the North Beach for 0.1 kilometers. So now we're checking it out. I don't know where this is leading us. Guys, we made it back. We made it back. Now we're gonna go to Alouette Lake. My skin is going crazy. Wow, it's damn hot. It's 4:26. We started at 2:08. And you know, we went swimming. That was good. Guys, we finally found our way. We were lost a little bit, just lost a little bit. We had to ask the lady, but no, we're now on our way.
This is Bluetooth. Like.
Hi guys, we made it. Made it to the lake. There's nobody here, but I heard the water's warm. Like these kids, they're like, it's warm. The vibes is good. Lake looks good. Look at this beautiful, the mountains, the sky. It's really warm actually. Like my back is like, I feel it. We're gonna eat now. Castellana.
Hey guys, I'm back. We changed gears. But now we're on the Alouette Lake. Eating first. A little picnic. Hi, the water. And then I put my hat on because the sun is actually burning the back of my head. And I put my prescription sunglasses on so I can see. And then I put on a shirt.
That's crazy.
Over the bathing suit because it was dry, and I used the jacket as a blanket. What's with your fit? What did you do?
I'm wearing the same, like a similar.
Yeah, like we didn't even know.
Shirt. And then I'm wearing my swimming dress.
Okay, what are you eating?
I'm eating these noodles I made in the morning with like random meatballs.
And I packed a bag of chips. There's my water and the camera in here. And utensils. And some fried chicken, rice, cucumbers, and an egg sandwich that got squished with cilantro. And my IHOP that I'm gonna finish. And there's a frisbee and checkers that I'm gonna make her play. And we're gonna go in the water. Hello. We just gotta stay in here. And we can like puddle. Oh, I might not feel my legs after this.
No,
These goosebumps are crazy.
You know what? This is good for you. It actually, you actually lose weight when you're like.
What? How?
I'm not joking.
She's not joking. Oh, shivering. Yeah. Okay.
Remember in farting.
Oh yeah. Lower half. Oh, this feels so good. My arms. I'm losing blood circulation. Yo, I think my body heat lower half.
No,
It's got it. It's got it. No, you have to open your arms. Open
I
them.
literally got spikes on my body.
Come here. Do lower half. Real quick.
To drown.
Real quick. Put your lower half in. Open your arms. Be free.
I got my boobs.
What? Are you hard?
Always.
Rock hard.
Never stop.
Go. Come on. Just dunk more. You'll get used to it.
Actually, imagine you can take your girlfriend with your mouth.
No, I cannot imagine.
That's the best.
They must be like in it. Yo, but you gotta come here. The view is so nice. Yay, lake. I wanna flow my belly. Yay!
No, that was nice. Oh, my boobs. My boobs, bro.
Goosebumps.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, that was so cool. Yeah? Can you look at it? Can you go look at it? That was 1, 2. It's really cold. Hi guys, we just swam for like, how long, Nana? Like, more than an hour. We lasted more than those white men.
Yeah. Should I grab out the towel?
You're so red.
Because I
My
need some
hands.
blood circulation.
Hi guys,
Where should I put it to?
it's 7:34 and we're back in the car. We're done. I almost broke my ankle the last 5 minutes, but I did not. It's all good. It's all good. We're all looking kind of crazy. Should we go home? Or do you want to eat? No, I don't feel like eating.
I'm gonna put it to